What's up guys, in this video I will share where I get trade signals for my trades in futures, in Forex, and the Tradingview algorithms that I use. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is AltSignals landing page. Link will be in the description of the video, and as you can see, they are on 70% off sale. Alright, so the fact that AltSignals has been in the business for over 5 years already, guys, an outstanding rating in Trustpilot, and let me show that to you right now. 4.8 out of 5 with 503 reviews. Excellent, guys. This is a legitimate source of good trading signals. All right, they also have 50,000 subscribers already, so a lot of people has already been taking advantage of all the signals that they are giving. And trust me guys, they did not get 50,000 subscribers just because, right? It means that what they do is quality. So AltSignals, guys, is actually the first signal service to use the AI to give investors the cutting edge technology to improve the accuracy and profits. So 50,000 tokens, guys, will get you a lifetime membership. So even more reason to check them out and see for yourself if this is something that you would consider with your trading. So let me show you this one right here. It has a good message right here. Exactly. See? Oh, yeah. See? So go ahead and check out this website, guys, when you do your own research. It's just a minute video, but it speaks a lot about AltSignals, and you will get to know them better before you even start investing or subscribing to whatever their service is. All right, so AltSignals, guys, is the best in the industry in terms of giving you trading signals, and it has been proven again and again because of their Trustpilot rating. And of course, a higher chance of getting that elusive 10x or even more 100x on your investments because it is one of its kind. And this actually may get you the Lambo that you have been hoping and aiming for a long time already. So they are also holding big competitions coming soon, guys, so go ahead and check them out. I would strongly recommend that you join all their social media platforms. That way, when there are announcements, discounts, airdrops, and all those good stuff, you will definitely be notified with all those information. And they are also running their giveaway, guys, where $5,000 worth of prizes are up for grabs for one lucky winner. And it also includes a $2,500 state-of-the-art MacBook Pro. Oh my goodness. All those giveaways that they are giving. So, I mean, those are not cheap. Also be keeping a close eye on this project as it does have a huge potential. So you can expect more videos in the channel coming up very, very soon. This is a unique opportunity, guys, to start trading while utilizing the first of its kind cutting edge technology, and it's already used by so many people. As I mentioned, guys, they already have more than 50,000 subscribers already, and they are in the pre-sale stage for their token. They have already raised $950,000 worth of the tokens so far, and this is the best time for people like you to invest or get in the project as soon as it starts, because again, when you're doing IDOs, that is when the cheapest token price you could purchase, and then when the price goes up, goes double, goes triple, could even go more than that, right? At least you are already engaged. So over 86% of the stage 1 tokens are already sold, so get in quickly before it's too late. Do your own research before you even start investing. But again, this is a very, very promising project because they have been there already, and they have proven time and time and again. They have 50,000 subscribers. What more can you ask for, right? If you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. Stay tuned until the end screen. There are a lot of videos that you could choose from that I'm sure you will be benefiting from. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.